guys, so today I actually bought the new iPhone and I was really contemplating in just getting the iPhone 11 because basically I'm upgrading in my perspective because of the camera, because it has a better camera. It has wide angle camera, and even the selfie camera is a 12 megapixel camera, unlike the XS, which doesn't have that. It's still 7 megapixels. So even just going to the iPhone 11 is basically upgrading from last year's iPhone XS. But typically you would upgrade to the iPhone 11 if you had the iPhone XR. But yeah, I'm one of those weirdos, and I'm hoping there's other people out there like me, because I haven't come across many people who have an iPhone XS but are deciding to upgrade either the 11 or the 11 Pro. And I really was going to get the 11, but after speaking to so many people at the Apple store, I'm not saying so many people, but after having a long conversation with someone from the Apple store, he really helped me decide which one to get and basically the perks and things. I mean, customer service in the Apple store is absolutely amazing. Like, it was like he was shopping for himself, basically. Like, he really took everything into consideration, what I like doing, like taking photos and all these things, and how I do things. Even brought out his phone, was testing certain things for me. Like, customer service in the Apple store, it was pretty good. However, today when purchasing the iPhone, it was quite different. You know, it was just a bit rushed and they didn't really seem to care which one you're getting, and yeah, it was a really different experience. So that was a bit confusing. Like, when you actually want to purchase something, they're actually like, I guess it just depends who you get, but I happened to get someone today that wasn't as friendly, or like, because I was actually still deciding, because after speaking to someone yesterday, I decided, okay, I'm going to get the iPhone Pro because the camera is way better and just the quality of the phone itself, like the brightness is actually way brighter on the new iPhone Pro. But if I was to get the iPhone 11, it would be actually like downgrading, going like a few steps back to like the iPhone 6s and 7s, where they only produce the LCD screen and that brightness didn't get really bright, unlike my iPhone XS, which, even though the camera isn't as good as the iPhone 11 Pro, like, it's actually better quality phone itself with like the display than the iPhone Pro. So yeah, it was really confusing. And so, like, after discovering that, I was just like, okay, fine, I guess I'll have to get the iPhone Pro, because like, I'm actually going back a step by getting the iPhone 11 from the iPhone XS, even though initially I was thinking it would be an upgrade because the camera itself is much better than the iPhone XS, like, because of the wide lens. But yeah, so today I decided to get the iPhone Pro, and the only thing that was holding me back really from getting the normal iPhone Pro 11 Pro, which is like my XS, is the size. Like, I feel like that's too small, and the iPhone 11 was a perfect size. So it was really just, I just didn't like the size. I don't like the size of the XS. It's okay, but I feel like it could be like a little bit notch extra bigger, just a little bit. But obviously the Max is way too big, and so the iPhone 11 is perfect because it's literally in between both of those Pro models. And so that's another reason why I wanted to get the iPhone 11. But yeah, after much consideration and deliberation, I decided today to get the iPhone. What did I get? No, I got the iPhone Pro Max. So I actually got the bigger version. So I was like, okay, this time I'm going to be really careful, because last time I had a large phone like this, I literally kept dropping it almost every day. I'm not saying every single day, but like, I would drop it all the time. I'm the type of person that holds a phone everywhere she goes, and like, I'm not the type of person that puts my phone in my bag. I just, even though I have a watch and I do get notifications if I was to do that, I have issues, okay? I have to hold my phone. Like, that's me. I literally just have to hold my phone wherever I'm going. Sometimes I can put it in my pocket, like my pockets in my pants, but I don't usually do that. And now that I have the Pro Max, I have a feeling I will definitely not be able to do that. So I'm definitely going to be holding this around much more. But yeah, look how pretty it is. I really wanted the white version in the iPhone 11, but yeah, that was another appealing factor of the iPhone 11. And then there were so many appealing factors of the iPhone 11. Like, seriously, if I had the XR, I definitely would have just upgraded to the iPhone 11, because it is really good. It is really, really good. It's just the quality of this, like, if you're looking at your phone in daylight, the iPhone 11 wouldn't be as bright and it'll be pretty dull. Most of the times, I presume, if, like, not presume, but I will probably, like this phone, the XS has the same nits, I think it was, the same nits, NITS, as the iPhone 11. So the iPhone XS and the iPhone 11 has the same nit. So basically, when it's a really bright environment, when I'm outside and like the screen isn't bright enough, like I literally have to put my hand over the screen to look at what I'm staring at sometimes when it's that bright. And so I would still have the same issue if I got the iPhone 11. But on the iPhone 11 Pro, they've amped up the nits. So now it's like almost 200 nits more. So basically it will be a little bit more brighter. So in daylight, hopefully I won't have to be covering up my phone to look at certain things when it's like a very bright environment. So yeah, that's what I did today and yesterday, deciding which one to get. And thankfully today it came in stock, so I was really happy. So I rushed to the Apple store and got myself the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And the only reason why I didn't get delivery is because I'll be in Philippines in a few weeks, and so if I did do delivery, it would be coming basically when I was overseas. So that was a really letdown. I was even contemplating on buying the iPhone in Philippines. Like, I was like I was that fixated on getting a phone, like literally within a week or two. But yeah, so luckily they came in stock today, and like the Apple store people don't know when it's coming in stock. They said it could possibly come. I literally called them yesterday. I was like, oh, do you know when it will be coming in stock? And they're like, literally, we're really sorry, but we don't know. It could be possibly the next week, in a few days. We just don't know. They don't tell us when it's coming in. And today I'm like, okay, I'll just check on the Apple store just in case. Like, I honestly doubted it'd be in stock because I don't know, I just always have bad luck like that. But yeah, I checked and it was on stock. So I was like, oh my gosh, I have to go get it. So yeah, that's what I did today. So yeah, so now you can see so hopefully now you'll be able to, after all this jibber jabber, you can finally see the unboxing. Sorry, it took me a while to get to it, but yeah, it's just so big, I can't get over it. Oh my gosh, I haven't had a big phone like this in ages, and I'm really hoping I don't drop it as often as I did before. But yeah, so woo. Off goes the screen. I have a feeling I'm going to drop this showing this to you. So yeah, drop number 1 is probably going to happen today. Okay, and I also got this screen, not the screen, the case. It was a pink one that she showed me. It was really nice and it matches my nails, so I'm really happy about that. Not that I'll always have this nail, but you know, I like baby pink creamy colours. Sometimes I'm into black and sometimes I'm into creams, and recently I've been into cream, so yeah. Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So look, it's really cute. It just has a normal black case. And voila, here is the phone. It's so pretty. I don't want to damage it, so I'm just going to leave that there. Oh, I'm so stupid. There was this little tab here that I could have just peeled it off. Hopefully I didn't damage my phone case. Yeah, it's really cute. So that's it. And that's the phone. Hey guys, welcome back. So I have my phone now and everything is ready to go. So I unboxed it. And you know what? Like, I was actually gonna get the iPhone 11 Pro, the normal size, that yesterday or the day before I even ordered all the cases and all the screen protectors in the iPhone 11 size. So now that I have the Max, it's going to be interesting, let's just say. But yeah, so, oh, how cute is that? Oh, I was just over gold. I mean, I kind of was tempted to get gold, but I feel like I had gold or like rose gold for such a long time, and it's just, not that I'm into silver too much, but I just really wanted the white phone, I suppose. And this one has the, it wasn't white, like it's called silver, but it's kind of white. It'll work. But yeah, I mean, it's not white, but it's as close as white can get. I mean, the iPhone 11 Pro, not the Pro, just the iPhone 11. It's so confusing to say because last year it was like iPhone XR and it was XS, but now it's just 11. Just 11. Okay. Anyways, enough with the rant. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop this in, and because I actually don't have the screen protector, like, I'm actually gonna just attempt to leave this on and see how long that'll last. But yeah, so that's basically it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I wonder if it will turn on. Do I have to charge it? Oh no, I think I have to charge it. I thought it would come with some battery. Oh. I'm a little deco. Alright, so yeah. I mean, I already have this because this actually comes with the iPhone, not the iPhone, the iPad Pro. So that's so weird, eh? Like, why would an iPad Pro, like this size of a device, come with this? And now this comes with the iPhone. This coming with the iPhone makes total sense, but this coming with this iPad Pro, like, was just a bit disappointing. Like, I thought it would be a bit higher, like they could have at least given like a 40 or 50 watt charge, but no, they gave me an 18 watt charge for the iPad, so it charges really slow. So what I usually end up doing with the iPad Pro is I use my Mac Pro charger to charge this, and literally it will charge it quick. Like, it will charge it within like an hour. It'll be charged quite a bit, and that's how the 18 watts does to the iPhone Pro. So now this one charges in like 30 minutes to an hour. Like, you'll get a reasonable amount of charge. But if you use the old one, the 5V or watts, whatever, yeah, it'll take ages to charge. So basically, all these ones that they used to come with was basically an overnight kind of charge. And anyways, my point was, nobody got time for that because we use our shit every single time, and like halfway through the day we basically are running out of juice, and so many times you do need something that actually has a fast capability of charging things. So yeah. Hey guys, so I've actually plugged in the charger. I know, I don't mind the mess, but like, yeah, so it didn't come with any charge, which is a bit shocking. Ooh, it's working! So yeah, I'm gonna go through this now. Hello. Go away. I want English. Australia. Alright, so now I'm gonna head to the gym. I'm just gonna leave this restoring for my card. Hopefully when I come back it's going to be all done. So it'll be really disappointing if it's not all done. I'll have to wait more and more and more. Ugh. Anyways, yeah. So thanks for watching the unboxing. I hope this has helped anyone in any way possible. But yeah, have a great day.